bus has arrived, so please welcome the boys in blue, Manchester City! We know what's away, so make some noise for Manchester City!
The season begins for Manchester City, but just what could it hold?
It's gone and it's...
Thank you for joining us, and that is full time at the Etihad Stadium. What a game and what a second half there. I mean, I'm buzzing it.
This City team just does not stop. Inch by inch, they're pushing their way to the Premier League title. This is De Bruyne. Ball goes in, outside of the boot. John Stones, bullet header, goal for City. What a ball from Gabriel De Bruyne, outside of the boot, oozing quality. Edison, it's one of those long raking balls, it's a pretty good one as well. Mr. Whippy strikes again.
Just work that out. Is that 21 wins in a row? It is indeed. Manchester City, absolutely unbelievable.
Incredible. It looks like the rewards are coming, so let's head back out there and see what City have got for us.
We want the quality of our players. The quality of our players won the game. Incredible.
A moment to reflect on the incredible work Pep Guardiola and all of his backroom team have done to achieve what they have this season. From where I am, you can almost see out over all of Manchester. And from what I can see, Manchester looks very, very blue indeed.